Hey there, it's Sally from the Splendid Table. Listen, we just want to let you know that like a lot of people, we're dealing with a bit of disruption. Our team is juggling children and work. We don't have access to a studio right now, and that's going to make us sound a little different in the weeks ahead. We're also social distancing, doing a hell of a lot of hand washing, and of course, worrying about friends and family all across the world. We're also doing a lot more cooking, and we know that you are too. And with that in mind, you should know that we are hard at work, pulling together interviews and recipes and ideas that you will find useful and, frankly, help get your head out of this situation for a moment. You'll hear our normal show as usual, but we're also digging around our archives and talking to food people about how to keep up in the kitchen as things continue to unfold. We'll be posting things regularly, so stay tuned. Check our podcast feed and website often. That's splendidtable.org. And please stay in touch. We mean it. Let us know what you need from us. We really want to help. Share your questions and ideas with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay safe, everyone, and let's find ways to stay connected.